Netherlands, the Rand West Municipality has pleaded guilty to the contravention of the National Environment Act. That's after failing to maintain the Randfontein wastewater treatment works, leading to a discharge of wastewater to the Elandsvlei Spruit, Boat and Rietspruit River. For more on this, we're joined by our reporter Linda Mnisi, who's been following developments where this is concerned. What did we hear from the prosecutor in handing this down, Linda?
Well, it was quite clear that, looking at the plea itself, they had gone to lengths really to try and establish what exactly, happened in this particular case. And it, in fact, revealing that this case dates back to about 2013. In fact, the issue around the untreated wastewater goes as far back as 2013, when residents in those areas and in streams, close to streams, in fact, started complaining about the wastewater, untreated wastewater that was coming out of that water treatment plant, saying that at the time the municipality had applied for an exemption. But in 2016, Dudu, they got, a water use license, which they applied for at the Department of Water and Sanitation. Now, what this means is that they would be liable for anything that happens at the treatment plant, including the treatment of the water before discharging the water into, of course, streams for it to be used by animals and, of course, by people. So the municipality has failed since back then to maintain the treatment plant, to ensure that the water is treated and does not get discharged into these communities. Residents raising these issues in 2016 with the Department of Water and Sanitation, raising it with the Human Rights Commission and other bodies, but also, going forward to lay a criminal charge in this matter, because it seemed as though they were not, getting the help that they wanted to receive. Let's take a listen to what the NPA had to say in regards to the charges the municipality faced.
Now, therefore, the accused is guilty of a contravention of Section 49, subsection 1, subsection E, read with sections 1, 2, 34 and 49, capital B, subsection 1 of NEMA, further read with section 94 of CPA. In that, on diverse occasions during the period of 2016 to date, and at or near Randfontein Wastewater Treatment Works Plant, Northway Road, Randfontein, in the Regional Division of Gauteng, the accused unlawfully and intentionally or negligently committed acts, to wit being the disposing of untreated wastewater into the downstream of Elandsvlei Spruit, Boat Fountain and Rietspruit River, and omitting to adhere to the water use license conditions, which caused and is still continuing to cause significant pollution and degradation of the environment, which is posing a hazard and health risk to all workers and downstream users.
All right, Dudu, so there you have it. The prosecutor in the matter explaining, those charges before the court. And remember, this was a plea deal that was entered into by the municipality as well as the state. So the magistrates in the matter handing down a sentence of a fine worth 10 million rand. So what will happen in that 10 million rand is that 7 million rand will be suspended, and the 3 million rand will go into the treatment of that water treatment plant, and that has to happen before June this year. And it's quite important also looking at those figures, because this is not the first amount of money that the municipality is getting. When the Department of Water and Sanitation went to conduct inspections at the site, finding that in fact there was a problem, it then also issued finance and money for the municipality to fix this infrastructure, but it did not happen. It was given twice, this opportunity to fix this water treatment plant, but it did not happen. So at this moment, it seems the law then had to take its course, perhaps showing also other municipalities that they too can be criminally charged if they do not, fix infrastructure and, of course, stop the spillages that we're seeing in the streets.
Linda Mnisi, thank you very much for that comprehensive update.